Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. Today we're at PriceSmart. This is a membership shopping wholesale or store, in one you want to call it. Just making a quick video. What PriceSmart did over the last few months is that they did an upstairs parking to fix the parking issues that they had. Because the amount of customers they had on a daily basis, parking was a big issue. So the creation of this upstairs parking section has really helped a lot. So I know a lot of persons have been to PriceSmart before, but not sure many persons probably have seen the upgraded parking. This is on the upstairs. They installed an escalator as well. So this is the upstairs section. So underground is covered parking. So I'll take a walk downstairs and let you guys see when I'm finished as well. So this is PriceSmart. They're also planning to build a second location in Portmore by October of next year. I think that is well needed. This is a very popular store. I know persons come PriceSmart from even as far as Mapen and even further. So a second store in Portmore will definitely help. So that's a very good move. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what you guys think about a second store and even more stores as well for PriceSmart. As I said before, it's a membership shopping, so you do get a lot of products that's usually imported, and you also get the products discounted. I tend to find that prices here is a little bit cheaper because of the membership. But this is a business that's doing very well in terms of profit. What do you guys think though? Because even just from membership, each person paying like $6,000 for a 12 months membership, just that alone, is helping the company to boost their revenue. So it's a real good model, business model, and it's paying off for them. So this is PriceSmart, Red Hills Road. Let me know what you guys think about PriceSmart. I know most of you guys as viewers and subscribers would have visited PriceSmart sometime or the other. So this is the parking down here. So this out here is Red Hills Road, and then to right here is Valentine's Drive. Alright, so this is the ramp in terms of how you get to the above or the upstairs parking. So this is the upstairs parking for PriceSmart, Red Hills Road. Let's take a quick look downstairs. So PriceSmart did fix their parking issues with this multi-level parking. This is downstairs. So we're gonna take a walk inside now. May not get a chance to visit. We won't get a chance to video everything, but I'll show you guys a little bit of what's inside. And again, this is Red Hills Road. And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content like this. Subscribing is free. Remember to like and share the video as well, so that more persons can see, and definitely leave a comment in terms of what you think about more PriceSmart locations across Jamaica and the one going to Portmore, and what you think about, you know, this PriceSmart and what they have done in terms of improving the parking, which has worked, which has helped a lot to fix the parking problem, because it was a parking nightmare, was a traffic nightmare before. What done? It's a lot of Christmas decoration. So they have a food court as well. Alright guys, this is where I end the video. Remember to like and share the video so that more persons can see. Definitely leave your comments, and if you're new, remember to subscribe for more.